Are you ready for a proven path to shaping the future you want? Do you want to make the parts to the machines that make America great? Do you want to work with lasers and other tools to achieve perfection? Do you want to earn a great living while you learn a profitable craft? Then you're ready to go pro in a skilled profession like machining. Provide for your future with a career that uses machines and computers to create precision parts for the high-tech products we use every day. Find out how at beprobeproudSC.org.